Facing the problem where your PC shows operating system did not shut down cleanly and get stuck? This usually happens because of improper shutdowns, corrupted system files, or disk errors. Many online solutions are complicated, but here's a simple trick that worked for me. First, force restart your PC. Hold the power button until it shuts down, then turn it back on. Next, boot into safe mode. Press F8 or Shift plus restart. Choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Enable Safe Mode. Once in safe mode, run a disk check. Open Command Prompt as admin and type check disk/F/RC. Also, run a system file check. Type SFC/scan now. After these checks complete, restart your PC normally. This simple trick fixed the operating system did not shut down cleanly issue for me when nothing else worked. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below. This is Rexisht.